Once upon a time in the Great White North, deep in the heart of the great Northwoods lived a bright red maple leaf named Lenny. He was a cheerful, charming fella who fluttered through the forest with joy. Lenny always helped others. He guided lost bugs to their favorite flowers. He shaded tired mushrooms after long, wet nights. And he cheered up grumpy peonies when they lost their spots. All the leaves in the forest shouted, "He's the kindest leaf we've ever known." So when the time came to choose a leader for the forest, all the leaves shouted in one big jet, "Let Lenny be our leader." At first, Lenny the mayor was marvelous. He built fun playgrounds out of fallen bark. He started pancake mornings with syrup from the laughing sambuca tree. And he even made Leaf Love Day a national holiday. But one day something strange happened. Lenny the leaf looked around the forest and said, "My friends, kindness isn't enough. I must protect you from chaos, from confusion, from yourself." And so he built a large office tower made of steel and twigs and thick red tape. Soon rules started sprouting from his tower like weeds. No dancing without permission. No snowball fights after sunset, and no flying south for the winter unless approved by the Department of Fluttering. The once happy forest grew quiet. "Is this still our home?" whispered the blue spruce. "Shh," hissed a moss patch. "Mayor Maple hears everything." And indeed, he did. For Lenny's eyes now glowed with maple-fueled power. He renamed the woods Maple Land. Every tree had to display his photo. Every bush had to pledge loyalty. The other leaves tried to reason with him. "Lenny, we used to be free. To be free to dance under the stars, to sing with the crickets, to build snow forts with the squirrels." But Mayor Maple just smirked. "Freedom is messy. I'll keep you neat." But the forest was breaking. Birds flew away. Squirrels packed up, and even the clouds started drifting elsewhere. Then a tiny fern named Fernie, who had always been too small to be noticed, stood up. "We've tried everything," she said. "He won't listen. He doesn't share. He doesn't care. The only way forward is to leave Maple Land behind." And so a great gathering took place in Alberta. Trees of every kind, leaves from every branch, stood tall together with one voice. They declared, "We choose independence." They created a new forest rooted in freedom, fairness, and friendship. No one ruled over all. Every leaf had a say. And as for Mayor Maple, he stayed in his lonely tower surrounded by rules, watching the free leaves flutter far beyond his reach. The wind blew stronger than ever because once you've tasted freedom, no leaf ever wants to fall under another shadow again. The end.